Hello, good morning. So going to take a look at Sensex for this week's action. देखते हैं क्या levels दिख रहे हैं as per ICT SMC concepts, and also try to cover some of the NQ price action. So this is monthly chart Sensex. So far market has taken liquidity, ये जो December month आया था, market has just taken the high and वहाँ से थोड़ी rejection आई है. So it's a key area. Switching on to weekly. Now weekly this fair value gap now is the target. कोर्स उसका मिड पॉइंट, वहाँ पे थोड़ा रिजेक्शन मिल सकता है मार्केट को. एंड ऑफ कोर्स द ऑल टाइम हाइज अभी लग रहा है लुकिंग एट द मार्केट, बट इनिशियली दिस इज द एरिया आई विल फोकस ऑन. Okay, moving on to daily. In daily we have a bullish fair value gap, तो उसको मैं मार्क कर लेता हूँ. उसके नीचे एक बिग गैप है, यहाँ पे कोई ट्रेडिंग ही नहीं हुई है, सो crucial in case market turns bearish. So this could be a potential target near term. काफी gaps हैं on the downside, so looking on to 4 hours. Actually, daily, the left side. Yeah, so this wick is key. So again, that 50% level. So far, market has just retraced into this zone, जो blue zone है, वहाँ से market ने reject किया. So it's crucial. So any bullish trades, I'll wait for market to cross, 80 to 800. Until unless market उसके ऊपर नहीं निकल के stay कर रही है, like 80 to 800 levels, I don't think I'll take any long trades. उसके ऊपर एक then this broader fair value gap, there's a gap as well, तो only a first target होगा before the completion of this fair value gap. Then there's another gap and then all-time high. But yeah, this 80 to 800 level is pretty crucial for the upside trades. Switching on to 4 hours. So on a 4 hour also, we have another fair value gap. We should mark that. And these two equal lows. फिर ये क्या जो clear void है. That's all on 4 hours. Switching on to 1 hour. One hour, we have this volume imbalance. So Again, expectation है कि यहाँ पे candle body should come, but I'll wait for market to clear this level which हमने discuss किया है for any bullish trades. And on side is again overlapping fair value gaps. So again, if you have been following me, all these volume imbalances, eventually market उस level पे एक candle body generally comes, and that's when I stop tracking them. So if you see, you were tracking this volume imbalance as well, and now market has delivered a candle body on top of it. So especially on a higher time frames, daily, weekly, monthly, 4 hours, 1 hour, right? We should have all those volume imbalances marked. Let's mark the previous day low as well. Yeah, I think the market breaks below the previous day low, high chances the market to come to fill this first fair value gap. It looks like that. So we could trade. I might plan. So yeah, I think that's all on 30 minutes में देखते हैं. Yeah, nothing. Just mark the swing point as well. Again, I'll wait for market to cross 82,800 and take that as a support for higher targets. Before that, no bullish trades for me. Switching on to 15 minutes. Yeah, I think it's the same on 15 minutes. Nothing different. So this area, so if you see on a 4-hour, market just created a big fair value gap on the downside, but कोई follow through नहीं था, right? Like market just stayed in this zone and created an opposite fair value gap, bullish, so overlapping. So this becomes a balanced price range. So generally market should not go below, the upper portion of this overlapping fair value gap. So I'm expecting the market should go below previous day low. And the low of let's see, so once it goes below, I think that's when I'll look for the target as a first fair value gap, which we discussed. But ideally market should reverse from here and start to go up. अगर market the second fair value gap की तरफ भी आ रही है and it's staying down, like it's this second fair value gap के नीचे भी market is sustaining, then it would mean that market is going towards this gap. So yeah, it's going to be interesting this week. So we'll see कैसे market play करती है. But yeah, one trade would be कि market previous day low के नीचे निकले. That means this first fair value gap is a target. So at least till 81,700 levels is what I think market can push. Or at least till this low of 15th May, so 81,900 at least उस level तक maybe potentially market can come. That could be one quick trade. And upside we have already discussed. So yeah, this is all on Sensex. Switching on to NQ. So NQ so far it's been bullish. So but हम इस fair value gap में we have just tapped in. And वहीं से market is just as soon as it's reached into this main fair value gap on a weekly, it started to come down. So look at the daily. I think one जैसे market अभी खुली है, I think it's showing me that it has a potential to go towards this this low of 15th May, so which is 21192. So that is one trade which I'm looking at very closely. Of course, can you check fair value gap here? So market might tap into this again. It has been a good move up in NQ. So again, market has tapped in पहले on a 15th May. Market tapped into it, but it failed to go and create further fair value gaps, or at least a solid candle on the upside. So it's ranging at this point, but to me it looks like it will first tap into this low of 15 May, and at least that 50% of this fair value gap is what I'm thinking. But yeah, to me, I think this, if I can get a good trade in this zone for this this low, that would be good enough for me. So quickly looking at 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours also. This is a key swing point which I'll be focusing on. 1 hour. Yeah, again, that is the key. Because on a higher time frame, there is no fair value gap with market trying to fill. So it looks like it's going towards this liquidity. There are multiple fair value gaps. We're going to 15 minutes. Yeah, market actually when it opened was a big gap down. So I took a trade for the gap fill, which worked in my favor. It was a good risk to reward ratio trade. So the reason I took it in the Asian session, typically I trade the New York session, but this was a pretty easy trade for me. And now it looks like market has just rejected all that move. So to me, I think my focus in the morning or in the London session is going to be this swing point. Yeah, that looks like a good target to me. So yeah, I just wanted I'll share this as well with you guys. So thanks for watching. Please do give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Please do provide any feedback or any other topics you want me to cover. So yeah, thank you so much.